Hey beauties, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I'm back again with another hair growth treatment with only one ingredient. This secret ingredient can grow your hair long, luscious, and it can even thicken the hair. Watch till the end to see which ingredient I'm talking about. And the secret ingredient is cactus. Yes, cactus. For those who didn't know, cactus has great benefits like growing your hair, and it's not something new. People from the Caribbean have been using this back in the days as a hair growth treatment, a shampoo, or even a conditioner. This treatment has been making its way back and a lot of people are using it and are having positive reaction for this treatment. So what I'm doing now is getting rid of the thorns from the leaf and getting ready to blend it into a rich green juice. So this cactus is called the Nopal cactus. It's even called the prickly pear plant, tuna plant, or even cassie. So you guys, this was really hard to find even though it grows here like everywhere, but someone I actually know gave me a few leaves and I was so happy. And if you're in the US, I think you can find this at your Mexican grocery store or even the farmer's market, but you will not find this at Target or Walmart. So yeah. So this treatment is very easy to make. Just have a few cactus leaf and water and then blend it. So this is actually not the way the Caribbean people used to make it. They used to take the leaves, mash it, and then wring it with a t-shirt. But now we upgraded to blender and now we blend things for convenience. So for a nice smooth green juice, I'm adding a cup of water so it doesn't come out chunky. So when you're done, the mixture is supposed to look like this, very chunky, and then I'm going to strain it with a old penny stocking, or you can even use a cheesecloth. I was going to use a strainer, but when you use a strainer, you're going to have flakes in your hair, so it's better to use a old stocking or a cheesecloth. And then I'm going to wring it out, and then comes the very rich green juice. So this is all the leftover from the cactus in this stocking, and you don't want this in your hair, so I just throw this away and just use the juice. So after I'm done, I put it in my spray bottle, but I would advise you not to put it in a mist bottle but in a regular spray bottle. So you guys, if you made it this far, I would really appreciate it if you guys could subscribe, like this video, comment, and I do a lot of natural hair videos, lifestyle and beauty related content, and I would be happy to have you or welcome you to the family. So now it's time to spray it on my hair. So as I already told you, I would advise you not to put it in this type of bottle but in a regular spray bottle. How I spray it is I part my hair into 4 big sections, then I spray it on my scalp. So the scalp is where the hair grows from. So I would advise you to spray it on your scalp. So now onto the benefits of cactus for your hair. This plant contains a lot of vitamins such as vitamin A, C, and K, and it's high in antioxidants, which are very beneficial for healthy hair growth. The cactus plant also strengthens the hair at the root, and that results in giving you thicker hair. It also soothes the scalp and helps with any scalp conditions. Fun fact, you guys, the cactus plant or the nopal cactus plant is also related to the aloe vera plant. That's why the mixture or the juice from the cactus plant was a bit slimy and it had a lot of slip. So the smell of this, it doesn't have a bad smell. I think it smells like grass. You know, when you first cut grass, freshly cut grass, that's what it smells like. And if you can't with the smell, just add a few drops of essential oils. But I didn't add essential oils because I didn't mind the smell. So this is what my hair looks like after spraying it all over my hair, saturated my hair with the green juice, with the cactus juice, and my hair feels very bouncy. My hair feels actually feels soft. I thought my hair would feel more on the strengthening side, but my hair actually feels moisturized. So now I'm going to twist my hair up again and I'm going to sit under the hooded dryer for about, I think, 15 to 20 minutes so it can do a deeper treatment with heat on my scalp. So you guys, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell to never miss a video. Also like this video and leave a comment if you ever use cactus juice on your hair and what did you like about it and what didn't you like. So catch you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.